This treasure was mine. I guarded it until the very end.
That's it. Bring it in slowly, carefully.
We are witnessing history.
The Serpent's Coil. Below 40 fathoms. Guard the treasure.
Did you hear that? The whispers are getting clearer.
No one shall take what I protected! We must open the chest now, Captain.
It's too dangerous. We should wait.
That's the captain's chest.
History right there. And a lot of pressure.
Let's take this one. It's right here.
No, look at the readings. There's something else hidden behind the turbine.
We're showing a massive return just ahead.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with caution.
The captain's log. She found the gold. We're right on top of it.
Heed my warning. The treasure must not be disturbed.
But which chest should we prioritize? The largest one, maybe?
The big one has to be the priority. Look at the emblem.
I disagree. We should check the smaller ones first. Minimize risk.
Slow down the scraping arm. Steady pressure only. We can't afford a structural failure this deep.
If we move that gold, the whole deck could shift. It's too risky.
We reinforce the beams first, then we extract. We move now.
It's truly here, after all this time. Easy now, slowly.
The seal is breaking.
The journal was right. He hid the best piece.
Incredible, look at the size of it.
Only the worthy shall find it.
Go for the CL chest, exactly as planned.
Captain, wait. The readings on the adjacent crate are much higher.
We should prioritize the gold cache.
It's exposed.
The journal holds the secrets. We must examine the journal first.
Watch the starboard thruster. Pressure's spiking.
Almost there.
The journal mentioned this quadrant.
The treasure was guarded until the very end.
Easy now. Steady on the ascent.
Confirmed, Captain. The sediment is thick.
I guarded this treasure until the end.
Incredible. After all this time, the captain's log reveals everything.
And look, the maps are still intact.